Hi everyone. In this video we're going to learn to make a call using CaptionMate on an iOS or Apple device. You must be running iOS version 12 or higher. The first thing to do is download the CaptionMate app from the App Store. It looks like this. When you're ready to initiate a call, simply launch the app and you can call from your contact list, from your call history, or you could simply dial the number from your keypad. For these demonstration purposes, we're going to make a call from the call history. Pick the number you want to dial. iOS confirms that you want to make a call, so you press call, and CaptionMate will initiate the call for you. The most important part is to hit the banner at the top of the screen, which will allow you to return back to the call transcription. So you hit that, and then all of a sudden now you can see the transcriptions live on the phone call. If you want to view both sides of the conversation, let me turn the volume down a little bit so we can talk. If you want to view both sides of the conversation, simply hit this remote button, and that will allow you to see both sides, what the other person is saying, as well as what you are saying in speech bubbles at the top of the screen. If you want to turn on the speakerphone, you hit the speakerphone button. And if you need to dial an extension during a call, simply open the keypad, press the number, and then minimize the keypad. If for whatever reason you would like to stop or pause the captions during the call, hit the pause button. It will stop the captions from flowing, but the audio will continue. When you're ready to end the call, simply hang up. And of course, we always encourage people to rate the calls so we know how your experience was. And then you're brought right back to the main screen of call history. That's how you do it. That's how you make a call on an iOS device using CaptionMate. It's very easy. Thanks for joining us on our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or feedback, please email us at support@captionmate.com or visit us on our website at www.captionmate.com.